Hey, you live in West Palm Beach and we deal with great sunshine all the time. What about our water? Yeah, that's a great question. Our water in West Palm Beach actually comes from the Everglades and also Lake Okeechobee and shallow wells that the city has drawn. Now, what do we deal with? Well, we wrestle with industry that's polluted our water, which includes hexavalent chromium-6. Yes, that's what that movie Aaron Brockovich story was all about. So that's industry byproducts that got into it. By the way, Julia Roberts won her Best Actress Award with that. Also, the city deals with other contaminants in the water, which would include blue-green algae. Yes, that's what grows on top of the lake just outside the village, the city hall, as you've probably seen it. It's been a big concern. So if you're concerned about your water, get it tested. If you'd like to take out some of the toxins that are in the water, get a NSF or National Sanitation Foundation certified 58 listed system that will make your water cleaner. If you'd like to learn more about systems like that, click our next video.